Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss about HTML tag in HTML5. So HTML is a starting to delimit the text inside. Add a closing tag by adding a forward slash to the starting tag. Most but not tag have a closing tag. It it is necessary to write the code for an HTML page between HTML and ending tag. In the last video, I will tell about tags are two types. First one is starting tag and second one is ending tag. And every tag must close. This HTML tag tells the browser this is the start of the HTML document and the ending tag this is the end of the HTML document. So this is the syntax of HTML tag. You write everything in between the HTML tag in HTML5. And thanks for watching.